Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this creative Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn how to crop an image into a triangle shape in Word quickly and professionally. This is perfect for making stylish graphics, posters, presentations, thumbnails, and modern document design. If you want to your photos look unique instead of regular shape square images, this tutorial for you. So let's get started. We can see here assignment. Now I need a triangle shape picture. At first I go a blank page, then go to the insert menu. At first insert the picture. You can make it using two way. At first I select the picture, go to the format menu and click the wrap text, choose in front of text because I move the picture anywhere and resize it. Select the picture and move it. Then I go to the picture format menu and go to the picture effect, and we can see here many effect, but here not available the shape. Now I am go to the crop format menu, click the crop to shape and select the triangle shape. We can see we make the picture into triangle size. You can make this process. Otherwise you can make another process. At first go to the insert menu, click the shape and select the triangle shape, then draw the shape. Go to the format menu, click the shape fill and click the picture option, then choose picture from your file. Now I am select the picture and click insert. We can see we make the same process into two different way. You can apply any process. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.